cha asizokuzwa ngana asizokuzwa ngani sizongena yebo ukudabula ngempama wena uzokudabula ngempama songena siyangena kusuka hawu ngelani hawu namhlola hawu sijakola amankula la ila oh umngena ngapha ama-ofisela amakhulu oh asambeni Tino la sifika namalunga lethu nabo ngeke bazosenza into I'm here to talk to the managers and the owners of the company. Our people are being abused here in terms of the work ethic. There is unfair practice in the work ethic. So I'm here to deal with that. All of them, they're working here. Yes, yeah. Enough is enough for abuse. I can't allow our own people to be treated as bullshit. Doesn't matter when they call you or you kill us or whatsoever. We don't care. We are fighting for our rights. Yeah. I'm sure she posted like share. Chinese in China, she post. I'm tired of the trouble. Sir, you're tagging. Ni metro, Japan metro ni. Ashanga, ngamasende lapana. Something in lapana. When I'm going to tagging. Skatele. Ngamasimba kahulumeni. Kishimano bani galabeni kantu nimsentela lapana. Papa in town. Ulimia ikokobis nkona. Jagi wani. Oh. The majority of these are women. It's 16 years of activism. Bugan. All men are running down. When's the hands are talk shows? I'm a talk show. No tie. On two. I'm going. He's getting them 7 for me. And them 7 for the friends. You don't know the real problems. You are busy protecting each other. I'm not here to tolerate any bullshit for anyone. It's all doing all this.